Hi guys, my name is Maureen and my channel is called Maureen Luxe. Welcome. This is my first YouTube video, so do show me love. Leave all your comments down below and I will come back to you on the comments. In today's video we will be talking about 6 easy steps in how to use Jesmonite, so stay tuned for the video. Hi guys, I'm back again. So here I have the AC100 starter kit, which I bought from the Polyseal website. I'll leave the link in the description below. It comes with a very detailed instruction manual front and back, a square mold, hexagon mold, AC100 liquid. We've got the Jesmonite base, set of gloves, and 3 different pigments, red, yellow and blue, and 3 stirring sticks. First thing is I bring out my scale to weigh out the AC100 liquid and base, just popping on my gloves. I bought some cups from Amazon. I will link them down below. I will now weigh out the AC100 liquid and the Jesmonite base into 2 separate cups. So in my first cup I will have 56 grams of liquid, and in my second cup I will have 144 grams of Jesmonite base. I will also pop the weights on the screen as well, so you have them for reference. Just mixing the powder thoroughly to make sure there's no lumps or clumps. Scraping around the edges to make sure that I have got all the powder mixed well in the liquid. I'm adding here a red pigment. I'm just going to shake it first. Just going to add 1 drop. A little goes a long way. You really don't need that much liquid pigment inside this. They are very strong. Going to add a bit of yellow as well. Mixing them thoroughly together to give me this nice peachy, creamy, pinky colour, which I wanted for my square mould. This is the consistency you should get. You have 5 to 10 minutes to stir your mixture before it starts to harden. Just adding a bit more red to the mix to get the colour just right. So then I'm going to start to pour the liquid into the mold. So you will see that when we're putting half of that into the mold, I'm just giving it a little swirl around to make sure it gets into all the corners and edges. I don't have a brush, so that's why I'm using it with the stirring stick here. But if you do have a brush, I suggest you do that with the brush first, give it one coat, and then once you've done that, just go through and pour the remaining of the mixture into the mold. Trying to get all the last drop of that into the mold there, scraping it all out. Just kind of get rid of all the air bubbles, just giving it a little spin at the back. Here you'll see me tapping, my favorite thing to do, of course. Tapping, get rid of all the air bubbles, side lifting it, throwing it down, shaking it. If you're liking the video so far, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'm leaving the liquid to dry and allowing it to settle down. I have now brought out the hexagon mold, and here you just need to repeat steps 1 to 5, same as previously. So again, I'm weighing out the powder in one of the cups. So I'm weighing out the powder for the hexagon mold here, and that will be 90 grams. I'm now going to weigh out the liquid, which will be 36 grams. So again, I am just going to add the powder slowly to the liquid and mix as I go along. Mixing gradually, again scraping all the edges to ensure that I've captured all the powder. Yeah, I think it's perfect. So here I wanted to try something different. I wanted to do a marble effect. So I have seen other tutorials where they've poured half of the liquid into another cup and then added the pigment to only one of the cups. So that's what I tried to do here. So I've separated one which I wanted to keep white, and then to the other cup I wanted to add my yellow and red mix again to give it that creamy peachy effect. Adding the yellow here, just one drop again, a little goes a long way. Scraping all the edges to ensure I've got everything mixed. Again, I've got 5 to 10 minutes to mix this before the liquid starts to settle. So here you can see that I'm adding a little bit more yellow just to get it a little bit more pinky. And this cup I have not added any colour to it, so it is just pure white or creamy white, so it's a natural state of the liquid. So I'm going to mix them both into the hexagon mold As you can see here, I had a little bit of trouble trying to do the marble effect. It didn't quite work out, but you see at the end that it does look quite nice how it came out in the end. I decided to just put the white within the mixed cup with the pigments in there, so that's what I've just done. So you've got plain white going into the peachy colour that I'd mixed in a separate cup. I'm just going to pour that in to see if I can still get the marble effect, and it has actually worked on the back. But yeah, maybe I'll do another video where it actually does work out, so I can show you how to do the marble effect. Here I am scraping all of the mixture out of the cups. And I'm going to shake and get rid of all the little air bubbles again. Just popping the air bubbles that are at the back of the Jesmonite. Testing to see if the square has cooled down. You see here I'm just tapping the back to see if it's still hot, and it is still hot. Here I am again testing it to see if it's cooled down. So yeah, it has been about 40 minutes that I've left this to cure, and I can see that it's dry, so I am going to now start taking off the molds, taking them out of the molds. So here we have the square. It's going to peel the mold off. It looks so good. The camera, the colour doesn't do it justice. There are one or two air bubbles that I didn't get rid of. However, for a first time, this is absolutely fantastic. I was so happy with how it came out. Here I was pointing out that the white mixture that I had poured in, trying to get that marble effect, didn't quite work, but it does look really good. You'll see in a second when I unmolded it. Look how beautiful it looks. It looks so cute. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite one, I have to say. It's very peachy on camera, so it's like a peachy effect with a side little big white blob. Apart from that, I thought it looked really nice, really nice for my second try at Jesmonite. So I'm really chuffed with myself. Here you can see that I'm leaving the designs to dry on top of the mold. This is what the finished products look like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have got to the end of the video, I'd say a massive thank you. Like, subscribe, share with a friend and leave all your comments below and I will get back to you in my next video. So right now I have the two items that I made in the video. I thought I'd give you a closer look at them on camera. I don't know if you can see that. So this, I've got to say, is my favorite one. I love how there is just a nice white splodge here in the middle. I like how it actually turned out, and that it was an accident, but I absolutely love it. Can you all see that? Yeah, this is definitely my favorite one. I think it's very easy working with this product. I think that, yeah, anyone can use it. This was, again, my first time. I've never used AC100 before. This was definitely my first time using it, and I found it very easy, which is why I created the video, so anyone else can find it just as easy as I did. It's 6 easy steps to make the coasters. This is the square one that I made as well. This was the first try, so I was not very experimental with the colour. As you can see, it's just one colour that I mixed with this. Just a bit of red and yellow that I put in the mixture. Right, thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.